We are making the Sonoran Hot Dog. Ta-da! Sonoran Hot Dog. What can I put in this piece of meat? Wrap it with another piece of meat. It's an avocado. Thanks. That's our Sonoran Hot Dog. Enjoy! Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Hot Diggity Dog. We are going to the Southwest. We are going to where I grew up in, Phoenix, Tucson, closer to that area. We are making the Sonoran Hot Dog. Ta-da! Sonoran Hot Dog. I did a little bit of research and it looks like it originated about 20 years ago in Hermosillo, which is the capital of the Mexican state of Sonora. And then hot dogs were sold in the streets as kind of like an American novelty, like, look what Americans eat. It migrated up north in Tucson and, in more of those border states, border cities, and they were sold in street carts. And the people selling them were called dogueros. And there is a very famous restaurant in Tucson called El Güero Canelo. They are the ones who sell like one of the most popular Sonoran Mexican style hot dog. And in essence, this is what is in it. In the Food Republic graphic, they explain it in like layman's terms, which is pretty simple. But from the article that NPR posted about the Mexican style hot dog, it is a hot dog wrapped in bacon with beans, grilled and fresh onions, tomatoes, mayonnaise, crema, mustard, and salsa, usually jalapeno salsa. Wanted to try what a bacon wrapped hot dog. That's such a, I don't know, it is so American to think like, what can I put in this piece of meat? Wrap it with another piece of meat. I mean, this is a jam-packed hot dog. They packed every single thing they could do on this hot dog, and I'm very excited for you to try it. I always get wary when I do like cook bacon wrapped stuff because bacon does have a tendency to curl when you hit it on the hot pan. I mean, if you really wanted to, I guess you could like use a toothpick or like tie twine around the bacon so that it doesn't go anywhere, and then when it's fully cooked you can snip the twine off. But if you don't care, if you're like me, where just like you're gonna eat bacon and hot dog all together in one massive bite anyway, it doesn't really matter. So as I am preparing my hot dogs and my bacon, I am also preparing my toppings. The recipe called for fresh tomato, fresh onion. I didn't make grilled onions. I opted for fresh because like in the Philippines, we also just eat like diced tomato and onion as kind of like a relish that you eat with like your rice. So I love the taste of really pungent fresh onion with like a sweet tomato. I'm also dicing an avocado. It's an avocado. Thanks. So I'm dicing that too as a topping to use for the hot dog as well. So the recipe called for beans. I'm not a big bean person. Sometimes I'm in the mood for it, sometimes I'm not. I do like refried beans. If you ask me like what type of bean is my favorite, it'll probably be refried. So that's what we're using today. So once again, I made this before I owned a can opener. So you are seeing me dangerously open this can of refried beans. Please do not do this at home. Please use a can opener. As soon as the hot dogs and the bacon were done, I kind of had all that bacon grease on the pan ready to be used. So I sauteed my refried beans on there, and that was ready for my hot dogs. Okay, now we are finally made it to assembling this beautiful Sonoran hot dog. So you are taking your bun and you're smearing over refried beans on one side, putting your bacon wrapped hot dog on top, and I'm also adding regular relish, like regular hot dog relish, and green tomatillo salsa that I had. putting the tomato and onion relish on top, putting your diced avocado, and then finally I'm drizzling mayonnaise on top. I have Kewpie mayonnaise. It's my favorite mayonnaise of all time. I think I would still suggest, if you have access to crema, use crema here, because I think that'll be so much better than mayonnaise. And there you go. There was your Sonoran hot dog. Let me know what you think. We're back at the Hot Dog Labs with a new style of hot dog that we're trying out for our Hot Diggity Dogs. It is the Sonoran Hot Dog. Refried beans, bacon wrapped hot dog, avocado, relish.
You don't like beans.
I know. Oh. Tomatoes and onions, tomatillo salsa, and mayonnaise. Cheers. It's a lot.
It's a lot.
It's not bad.
I like all those ingredients.
All of the flavors taste good. I think it's just...
I don't think it works with a hot dog, though.
My mouth is getting used to all of it together with the hot dog.
I'm not
the last thing I taste is the hot dog.
I'm not a cold, hot person, either.
You don't like cold ingredients on the hot dog. Okay.
Or I just don't like... I don't like when temperatures mix in the mouth.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the avocado is cold.
Yeah.
Or the salsa is cold.
Yeah. I'm into it. I don't know what I'm getting from the beans rather than just another source of protein. It's not like when the cream cheese was on here.
It's not like a coney dog.
It's not like a coney. It's not like chili.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't hate the tomatoes and onions. I don't hate the avocado.
I don't hate the bacon.
I don't hate the bacon. So I'd still eat this. I kind of have to, because this is dinner. Listen, Linda, a very interesting hot dog for sure. I feel like now I'm tasting the beans. Classic Tex-Mex flavors all in one. It's a fun take on it. If you're a big avocado, like fresh avocado, tomato, and onion fan, this would be a really good hot dog for you. I feel at home. Famously, I lived in Phoenix.
Are avocados Sonoran?
Avocados are Mexican.
Yeah, but you're not growing
growing avocados.
An avocado in the desert.
Yes, but it's in the
It's weird because there's not a Mexican one, right? There's just the Sonoran one.
Yeah. Maybe there is a Mexican hot dog. Maybe we gotta look that up. Maybe we gotta make it. Maybe it's a tamale. Maybe it's mole. I love mole. There you go. That's our Sonoran hot dog. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this episode of RJ's Food Rocks. You can find me at RJ's Food Rocks on all of your social media. The best way to support the show not only is to subscribe to the channel and let me know down below and let me know what you think of this video and all the other videos that I'm making, but truly the best way is joining my Patreon. For $5 a month, you can buy me a coffee saying that you love the show. You are included in a monthly drawing for a free gift, whether that's, my RJ's Food Rocks Kawaii Con, on a pillow, on a lanyard, on a frame. Like, people are getting random gifts, so. But you also get a behind the scenes video every week. And it's just, a doorway, a gateway to me and the inner workings of RJ's Food Rocks in the labs. If you love the show and if you like this video and if you want to see more of me, let me know in the comments below what other recipes you want me to try out. It doesn't have to be just hot dogs. So, any fun recipes you want me to try, let's go ahead and make it. Thank you again for watching. This has been RJ. My food has been rocking. My dogs have been barking. And I'll see you next week with another video.